Hello, magandang araw po. Nandito na po kami sa Eiffel Tower. Tingnan niyo naman, nakapagtaas guys.
You have taken the heart of me and left just a part of me. And look, look, look what you've done. Well, you took all the best of me, so come get the rest of me and look back, finish what you've begun. There is someone you want to meet. It's me, Mr. Incomplete. Look at what I've become, for it's due to the lack of you that I'm now only half a two. Look, I say back, finish what
Sa ngayon guys, nandito na kami sa ilalim ng Eiffel Tower para pumipila para makapasok doon sa taas. Ang bayad pala guys is 29 point something euro papunta sa pinakamataas. Yun ang binabayaran namin, at yung mababa yung pangalawa, second floor. Sasakay pala kami guys ng elevator papunta sa taas kasi sobrang taas na tower. Nakita nyo naman guys na maraming pumipila. Tiyaga lang guys para makapunta sa taas para makapanood sa buong Paris, France. Makikita mo lahat.
What you become.